Good morning, beautiful people. For today's vlog, we are going to cook sweet and sour chicken. So, ang gagamitin nating chicken ay 2 large breast. Okay? So, after natin may slice ng ating chicken, guys, lagyan natin siya ng 3/4 tablespoon ng refined Himalayan salt and 1/2 tablespoon ng white pepper powder. Okay? At i-marinate natin siya for 20 to 30 minutes only bago natin siya lagyan ng 1 egg and 1 cup of corn flour bago natin i-fry. Okay? So, meron. We will add half a cup of water to make it 1 cup. Very good. So, we will add vinegar first. 2 tablespoons ng vinegar. Two tablespoon ng sugar. Oh no, 3. 1 teaspoon of So, 1 tablespoon ng dark soy sauce. Corn flour. 1, 2. Heaping siya, guys, ha? That will do. So, we are to add the chicken to our, or add the corn flour and mix. Until well coated ang lahat ng chicken, guys, ha? Corn flour. Until well coated siya, guys. Then magpapainit na tayo ng mantika. Pero mix pa natin, guys, para mag-combine pa jud siya. Baka meron pang hindi na ano dito. So, yun. Parang combine na ba sila lahat? Siguro, combine na. Okay. So, at this point in time, magpapainit na tayo ng mantika. Okay? So, massage nyo na lang lahat. Lahat na siguro. Okay na? Okay na ba? Okay na ba mga friend? Okay. So, now it's about time to fry. Magpapainit tayo. Okay? Okay. Kailangan pa siya maybe. Ganyan lang siya, guys. Okay? I-fry natin for the second time around after the whole stuff. Then, I will let you see the whole process later. Ito na yung last na batch. 2 minutes lang siya, guys, ha. Hanggang 2 minutes lang. Hanggang mag-golden brown. Last. I-fry twice natin, guys, for 2 minutes. Para, yes, this is it. So, lagyan lang natin, guys, ng konting oil. Enough to saute our, like, 1 tablespoon. Enough to saute our ingredients. Like, of course, our onion. Our onion. And our bell pepper. Then our pineapple and our garlic. Colorful kayo siya, guys, no? Isn't it colorful? I-bake natin yung onion, guys. So, ilagay natin guys ang ating chicken. Yun. So, yung, ano ba so? Paper towel. Kailangan siya. Oh, maliit lang ang ano ko guys. Kawali ko. Ito ang aking frying pan. So, it's about time to add our sauce. That's our sauce. So, we will wait until the sauce is thickened, guys. Thicken. So you can serve this with rice, steamed rice or fried rice or fried noodles. Cover and simmer for 2 minutes. Tingnan niyo guys. Isn't it nice? Ooh. Wow. This is totally nice guys. So, yes, this is our final product. So guys, this is now our final product, and if you haven't subscribed yet to Tess Home, please consider subscribe. Hit nyo na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa susunod pong mga videos. So yun guys, napakasarap nito. So thank you for watching everyone, and I hope nag-enjoy kayo at meron naman kayo natutunan sa aking videos. Guys, this is our final product, our sweet and sour chicken, and if you haven't subscribed yet to Tess Home, please consider subscribe. Hit nyo na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa susunod po mga videos. So it is smoky pa guys. It's smoky. So thank you for watching everyone, and let's eat from my kitchen to yours. Thank you for watching.